welcome to Hey Tools. I hope you all are well and doing so well. In this video today I am going to talking about CapCut. And many of our customers that don't know that how can they change the CapCut temp mail which we provide with a 1 month subscription. They can change it with their own unused CapCut mail. That means you must have a never CapCut unused email to change the mail with that. So today I am going to share this. And now let's see how can you do this. Simply go to your CapCut account. You can log in through the phone also, and you can log in the website also. Then now we have to put the mail that we have provided to you. Simply provide, like I am going to log in on my account. Then type your password perfectly. After you putting the password perfectly, you will got your account. Here your account. This is my account. And this is for 1 year. I have purchased this one for 1 year. Let's see, this is 2026. That means I have purchased in someday, and that will in 2026 6 to 22. This is full 1 year subscription. And now I'm going to show you that how can you change this email to your own mail. Go to settings, and this is the mail address of yours. And now how can you change? Simply go there again and view profile. So dear friend, so you must need to log in the CapCut now. Now let's go to the CapCut app and find out the CapCut app. Here's your CapCut app. This is your CapCut app, and log in it from there. Simply go there, then sign in. Then sign in with email. Then put the email that we have provided to you. So now it's your account. Then go to your this option, me, then go this option, then go setting option, and then go manage account option. And here you will got this option for the email changing. Simply click on email, or you can change also password if you want. For this you need the code also, so you must need the change the mail first, then verify. Then here you will got the code. And how can you get this now? Let's see, I am going to show you that how can you get this. So now after you're putting the password and the mail perfect, then you have to click on their login. So sometime you can get this site also for the mail code. So simply how can you put the code for the mail? Simply copy your mail and paste it here at the rate to cut it, and again go to the back, then again paste it, then cut it into the thread like as that we have provided to you. Have to put this, and here you will got this mail that you have the this will be the code, and you can get the code from there. And also after getting the code, you can put this code to there, and if you see this, it is seen and showing you everything. Currently at network issue, but when you have done network issue, you will got this the code from the website, and you need to put the code here. And after putting the code, you will got the option of changing mail. You need to put the mail address of your own. that never used in CapCut for 1 month only. And then you'll got the access to in your mail address, and you can change also password by reset password and getting code and change the password, and that's why you can change your mail. You can get on your mail of the CapCut account. And thank you for watching. I hope this video is very helpful to you, and thanks for